Friends, in this video, I will show how to show header row in Microsoft Excel sheet. So firstly, you need this view tab. Do not see this view tab. So click on File, Options, Customize ribbon. Make sure this view tab is selected. Then click on OK. So this view tab will be appear. Now select a row which you want to make visible. So now guys, just to select your row which you want to make freeze pen and select this freeze pen. Now here select freeze pen. If we move, so it will be selected. Again, unfreeze and freeze any particular row like this. So if you want to freeze this two row, this first one and two, so keep cursor in third one and keep cursor here and click on freeze pen. Similarly, you want to freeze this three row, so keep your cursor on number 5 or number 4 and on freeze pen. Like this. So thanks for watching.